Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be removing the serpentine belt off of my 92 F-150 with a 5.0. You're going to want a serpentine belt tool and a 15 millimeter socket. You don't necessarily need the serpentine belt tool. You might be able to use just a regular ratchet, but this definitely makes it easier. And then you're going to want to locate the tensioner, which is this right here, right above the alternator on the passenger side of the engine. And then you're going to want to locate the pulley, the idler pulley, which is connected to the tensioner here. And you're going to want to get your socket over the bolt that is on that pulley, and then you're going to want to pull on it like you're loosening the nut, but it won't come loose. And then while you're holding it, you're going to want to pull the belt over one of the other pulleys, and you can release the tension, and that's it. Now you just have to get the belt off of the rest of the pulleys, and that's it. The belt is removed, so now you can go ahead and do whatever else you need to do, like remove the alternator, replace it, or something else, or just change out the belt.